Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To find files from folders and subfolders using Python, you can use the OS module, which provides a way to interact with the operating system. You can recursively search through directories and subdirectories to locate files. Here's a step-by-step tutorial along with a code example. 1. Import the OS module to work with directories and files. 2. Define a function to search for files recursively in a given directory. 3. Use a loop to iterate through all the files and subdirectories in the specified directory. 4. Check if each item is a file or a directory. If it's a file, add it to the list of found files. If it's a directory, recursively call the function to search for files in that directory. 5. Return the list of found files. Here's a code example that demonstrates how to find files from folders and subfolders using Python. In this code example, replace path _to _your directory with the actual path of the directory from which you want to start searching for files. The os.walk method is used to traverse the directory structure recursively, and the file paths are appended to the files list. You can further customize this code to filter files based on specific criteria or perform additional operations on the found files.